Hey, I'm Mike, a landscape astrophotographer. This video is part of a series called Pixel Feature Focus, where Team Pixel members like myself show you what make these phones awesome. Today I was thinking I'd show you 3 of the photos from my travels and how we can level them up using Google Pixel's Magic Editor. This first one is from the desert of Arizona, sort of similar to where I'm sitting today. Before we hop into Magic Editor, let's use an editing feature within Google Photos. I love using the Astro Filter. In one tap, we get a lot more contrast from the image in a way that just looks great. Next up, let's head into Magic Editor and remove some of these distractions. Just zoom in by pinching and circle to tap objects that you'd like to remove. You can then look through the different results and find the one that you like best. And if you want to double check the before and after, you can just press and hold on the image. This next photo is from my trip to Namibia last September. We stopped at the top of a mountain pass and took a picture in the middle of the day, but the contrast was a little bit lacking because the lighting was kind of harsh. Let's hop into Magic Editor and see what we can do. First, I'm going to use the eraser tool in Magic Editor to remove this sign from behind me. You can also refine your selection by zooming way in and clicking the Refine Selection button at the bottom right here. Then you can add or remove parts that you want to erase. Next, I'm going to tap the brush at the bottom of the screen and select the sky option. This will automatically generate different sky options for me. This first one looks awesome, but I'd rather have something from midday. If you don't find something you like in the first set of images, you can always scroll all the way to the end and generate a new set. I'm going to go with this subtle one that adds a little bit of dimension to my image. This last image is in a pretty recognizable place, Central Park. This next tool allows me to have fun with my images in just a few taps. In Magic Editor, I'm going to go tap the brush again and select Stylize. This tool is really cool because it generates a set of images based on my photo that look like paintings. I particularly like this option at the end that looks like an impressionist painting. All right, in the moment you've been waiting for, before and afters. I hope you enjoyed learning about Magic Editor with me today, and make sure you're subscribed for more from the Pixel Feature Focus series.